What's the fun in ready-made robots? You become the master of your robot when you take small pieces and assemble them. Today in Think About Robot, let's see how to assemble a simple programmable robot, Qbot. If you are new to this channel or just bumped into this video, please press the red button below and subscribe to our channel for awesome videos on simple robotics for preteens, teens and adults. I ordered Qbot from robokits.co.in. In my previous video, we have seen unboxing and seen all the contents of the kit. Today, let us get our gears and put all the parts together. Okay, so now with the new PCB that we have got, we are going to start assembling the entire robot. We have already seen the instruction manual, so we know it. So all these things are ready. So let us start doing it, okay? So first of all, we need to take this caster and we need to start assembling the caster first, okay?
Okay.
So caster screw, the nuts are little longer, so what I have done is I have put two washers here. So that way it has reduced the height here so that I can place the PCB, okay? So caster, the way it goes is, it just goes like this, okay? And then from top, we need to and put all the washers and nuts. Tighten it. All the tightening I will do at the end, okay?
Okay.
Now the second part is we need to fix these the motor angles where the motor goes in. So one will go here and the other will go here, okay?
Okay.
So the way we do it is we take these flat screws,
Okay.
put it from top, then take the nut here, okay, one, the other one is okay. Now I have to tighten it right away because I need to fix the motors, and once I fix the motors I cannot tighten it later, okay?
Okay.
Possible. So yes, this is the Allen key they have sent. With a small Allen key we can tighten it, okay?
Okay.
Now we need to fix the motors.
Okay.
We have got two motors, one for the left and one for the right. So let me take one of them. You can take any one of them and you have to put it like this, okay? This is the place where it goes,
Okay.
and there are two bolts which has to be attached from outside to inside. So let us take one of them. It comes like this and it goes into the hole here, okay?
Okay.
So we need to fix the battery.
After a lot of struggle, actually, I have fixed the nut which is the bottom. Little difficult, but somehow I managed to put it. Now the battery will go to the bottom of this board. You can place the battery like this, okay?
Okay.
And wire, you have to put it in this
Through
bigger
the
hole. So you can keep little extra wire at the back of the board itself, because
It'll be too long.
yeah, in the front you don't need so much. Whatever you can see, this is the socket it has to go. Okay.
Okay.
So it has to go somewhere near here. So we don't need so much. So we can keep all the extra remaining wire here only. Okay.
Okay.
To make sure the battery stays here, we will use the ties. Okay. The ties what they sent again was it's gone because I removed from the previous this one. So I have brought some ties.
New one.
What you do is I'll make sure I'll create a bigger tie. Okay, so now I have fixed both the motors,
Okay.
and also I have fixed the battery. So what I have to do is all the additional wires you can put into these ties so that it is,
Fixed properly.
yeah, it has set properly. You don't have to worry about the wires.
Okay.
Even at the back, this additional wire, I will put it inside the battery pack and I'll tighten it. Tightly fixed. All the additional ties I will cut it off. I don't want it. Okay.
Okay.
Now most of the parts have been fixed properly. Okay. So the battery part will go here. Okay, you can see here the battery portion, and the right side motor will go here, the socket, and the left side motor socket will go here.
Okay.
So this is the initial setup. Now we need to fix the wheels. So you take the wheel, and there is a groove here, and this groove has to get matched with the robot motor.
Okay.
So you need to find the proper fit. Once it finds it, you can just press it. It goes inside.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, you can take the other wheel and find the proper fit and press it. It goes inside.
Okay.
Okay. Now it looks like a robot,
Wow,
but
it's like
you also need to secure the wheels with these screws. This was initially not given, and I had requested them, so they have given it. Okay. So you need to push it inside and tighten it with a screwdriver. Make sure these wheels are properly aligned, and when you turn this, it should not touch the board, and also it should not be it should be in the straight line. Both of them should be in parallel. All these things are ready. Now the last part which goes inside is the PCB board, LCD screen.
Okay.
This LCD screen, this is the place where it goes in. Okay, there is the pin holder here.
Okay.
You just need to align it properly and then press it. Okay, there you go. Our robot is ready. Shall we switch it on?
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, so our robot is ready. We can reset. This is the reset pin, and this is one of the pin. It says that you have pressed the LED blink mode, so it is blinking the LED, and reset. And then this is the IR mode. they have sent the IR remote, but again there is a problem. Whatever the alignment they have given, this is wrong. So the positive and negative, they are wrong. So even if I put the other way, because
It's
of
not
this,
working.
yeah, because of this plastic here, it does not touch the node. So I need to get it fixed. Maybe I don't know how, but IR remote is not working.
Okay,
Okay,
let's check
let
the
us check all
sensor.
these sensors. So you can see if I go and press my hand, this light gets on. So that
Okay.
is a sensor. And when I go front, this light gets on. So that's a sensor. And when I come here, this is light is switching on. These are the three sensor. And here you can see there is a wheel sensor. So as and when the wheel moves, this
Okay.
light switch on and switches off. Same thing here. So this is also working fine. And there are three sensors at the bottom. Okay, so as my hand moves from here, you can see one sensor,
Okay.
two sensor, and three sensor. All the sensors are getting on. And we can also see there is an ambient light. Okay, ambient light number you can see 94, 93.
So, we have assembled the robots and it is ready to use. In the next few videos, let us code this robot and make it function as a line following robot, obstacle avoiding robot, and many more. So until then, ka-chow.